Well, the Future of Payments conference is one that we hold now on a regular basis every year. We find it's very useful. We are a business that basically brings together different partners to provide a common solution, a global solution to our global customer base. And it's a great experience for the partners to meet with our customers, for our customers to hear what's happening. It creates a very innovative environment.
The one big trend for 2020 in payments and travel is the idea of consumer centricity, the idea of creating a store for one, so that when you visit a website, it's hyper-personalised to your needs. Now, this can be through use of discounts or loyalty schemes, or in our respect, offering the payment method of choice.
So I would say the rise in virtual payments in the B2B travel space. So we've seen a big rise in this happening, which is really down to the benefits that it brings the whole travel ecosystem with regards to reconciliation, cost of capital, and really it's addressing the legacy payments in the industry. It's really bringing the industry up to a new digital level and helping the whole ecosystem understand the benefits of virtual payments.
The first mega trend will be that SCA will have to be executed. Airlines were given one more year, or the industry was given one more year, and now it's about making it happen. But I think the real trend for next year is about frictionless payment. It's a journey, and it's really moving on to that journey. So there are building blocks to date. We're certainly working on that, but it's working with the airlines to make frictionless payment a reality across all their channels.
The key trend for 2020 that we will probably continue to see for airlines is really about the evolution of payments. But of course, acquiring is fundamental, but also going into local markets, making sure that actually the airlines are offering the local payment type. In Asia, of course, we continue to see WeChat Pay and the growth of WeChat Pay and Alipay continue those big wallets. We're talking about Google Pay and Samsung Pay. So we really are still seeing those types of transactions really pick up and make some momentum.
In terms of looking at 2020 and looking at what things are going to change, we're already seeing and will continue to see an increase in account takeovers and identity theft. So for airlines, whilst there's going to be some good regulation in terms of having more strong customer authentication when it comes to payments, I think it's ensuring that their front end from an identity and account takeover is really put in line.
Interestingly, and it's not related to Continuum or what we do, but I see a really important trend being installed payments. That's been covered quite extensively at the conference. It's been offered by specialist providers, it's been offered by card schemes, by banks. And where I always saw market need for this is in Europe, where people celebrate Christmas and buy gifts for each other, and it comes to the end of December, there's not much money in the bank. I may want to buy a flight in January at a discount price, but my bank balance may be fairly shocking. So if I had the ability to say, well, I can buy that fare now at the discount price in the sale, and pay for that over 6 payments, no interest, no credit, no fees, I think that's a really good offering.
Frictionless payments is going to become the main thing we're focusing on, making life easier for our own consumers and for our customers as well.